So this is a room tour of the Costa del Sol Wyndham in Lima, Peru. This is the Grand, which is the 5-star hotel that is connected to the new terminals at the airport. So it's very convenient to get to. When you first walk in, you have your bathroom on the left-hand side. Shower is going to be right over here. Oops, water closet, just kidding. Right in here, and you can see there is toilet paper as well as a wastebasket, and just in case, there is also a telephone. You also have your sink area in the middle right here that includes a hairdryer that I will show you in just a moment, as well as a sink that has your amenities. It's got your bar soaps and so forth, as well as body lotion, and then there are 2 bottles of complimentary water that are here as well. And then on the other side is where you're going to have your shower. This is going to be a rain shower sort of thing, not a handheld one. There is shampoo, conditioner mixed, and a bath gel. So bring your own conditioner if that is the kind of person that you are. That is me, by the way. Then there is also the control on and off right here. And then this just closes, and it is a frosted glass door. And then you do also have the mirror that is directly overhead here. So as noted, there is a hairdryer included. This is a 2000 watt hairdryer. It does have the correct plug because if you notice right here, these are Peruvian plugs. So it is the 2 prongs, so make sure you bring an adapter for the 220 volt if you need to. Otherwise, remember too that if you are bringing an adapter, that you don't want to use your hairdryer from the States because that hairdryer will burn out because the voltage is different and stronger and not good. So you need to have a converter as well. So just use the hairdryer that comes with the hotel room, or make sure that you have one that has the correct 220 volt plug for that piece of it. You do, of course, also have your magnifying mirror just in case you wanted to see all the wrinkles, hairs, everything else that comes out. So of course, it's a hotel. They have that as well. Continuing on in the hotel room, I do want to point out that there is a light switch right here to turn lights on and off. You can see that's the main switch that controls everything. There is a welcome kit here that includes your coffee and tea, so you can enjoy those in the morning or evening, depending upon what you would like to do. And then also this part is your mini bar that has cost to it, and you can see that there is the charge details on this sheet right here so that you know, and this also works perfectly for the water bottles that are on the other side. Underneath here you're going to have your ice bucket if you would like to have ice with your water, and then there also is a refrigerator here just in case you have some other needs. Again, there is additional minibar. These are charged items in here, but if you have leftover food, you could keep that in there as well. So that is that piece of it. Continuing on in the room, you're going to have your closet right here. And in the closet, you do have your iron and your ironing board, as well as hangers. There is also additional blanket and sheet up here. And then it looks like you do also have down here your slippers. So these ones, if you choose to use them and wear them, they stay with you. They don't want them back after someone's put their feet in them, which I understand. It's not a huge closet, but it suffices. There is also another full-length mirror for you to be able to get ready right here. And then there is also your garbage and recycling. There is a little stand right here for you to put your suitcases on to unpack, get ready, as well as, of course, it's a hotel. The ubiquitous television is right here. You do have your desk as well. That includes additional plugs over here. And the nice thing about this one is that in addition to the Peruvian plugs, it looks like there is also one American outlet, as well as a USB and a USB-C outlet, so you can charge your devices, which is nice to have in case you happen to forget something. Additional light over here, and then you have kind of a cool, funky looking couch, chaise lounge, that I would be willing to bet is going to fold out into a sofa bed, and I'm going to check that in just one sec. So it is not a sofa bed, but it looks like this actually is a day bed where you could have another person sleep here potentially with a pillow and sheets and so forth directly on here. And then of course you've got your table, so you can move this around to have it by your bed, whatever, if you want to sit and work while you're in bed or eat or whatever the case may be. And then you do have a window that overlooks the airport. So like I said, this is pretty much attached to the airport. You can walk to it in about 3 minutes. You just take an elevator to the second floor, which of course I didn't know until very kind people pointed out to me, but you can see there are airlines and airplanes right over there, as well as the people who are exiting right now. So it is truly at the airport when they say at the airport. In fact, the terminals are right over here. So you've got that access. I do notice that there is a second curtain behind here. So this is going to be your blackout curtain so that you can block out all of the night light and wake up in the morning without having the light waking you up, which is helpful to me because any light wakes me up. And then you've got additional lights over here. There is a small little bureau right here, nightstand, where there's got 2 more drawers that you can store items in. And then there is additional plugs. Next to here, you've got, again, an American outlet as well as the Peruvian, a USB and a USB-C. So that is quite handy to have. And then this is where you're gonna have additional controls over the lights. So you can turn them off while you're in bed and not have to get all the way up and then walk through the dark. You do again have your reading lamps. These open and close. When they're open, they turn on. When they're closed, they turn off. So it's just literally this little piece right here that turns them on and off. And there is one on the other side of the bed as well. This is a king room, so it has a nice king size bed, which is quite lovely to have, and a decent size. And then on the other side, you're gonna have your remote control for your telephone or for your television, as well as the telephone if you need it. There's another set of light switches on this side, so if you happen to sleep over here, you can easily do that. And then I'm not 100% sure what this is, but we're gonna turn it on because it might be an alarm clock. Oh, no, it's just a really cool, funky little light. So that is there for you as well. The other thing I'm going to mention to you is that when you check in, at least for me, I got a couple of extra little bonuses in addition to the 2 free bottles of water that were in the room. So I do have a welcome drink that I can use at the hotel bar. I just take this, it has my room number, it has the date, my name, and then you can choose either a pisco sour, still water, a soft drink, or sparkling water. And you are able to get that and use that. And then I also have breakfast included. So breakfast runs from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m., which is a long time. And if I understood correctly, 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. is a continental breakfast, and then there's a full breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. But don't quote me on those times because she spoke a little bit fast. The other thing in the room too is right over here. This is where you're going to have control over a lot of different things. So your do not disturb, you just press here. If you need laundry service, if you need cleaning, if you need to change the configuration of the room, you can control the blinds by pressing this. So I just press that, and this makes sense why before I was not able to pull the blinds closed, because as you can see, it is doing it all on its own, which is pretty cool. And then you also have the night, which will turn everything off. And we're gonna get that back on by coming over here. That's the fun sometimes of just pressing buttons. You're gonna have entertainment as well as controlling the temperature in here. So I'm actually gonna make it just a little bit cooler by turning that down. You can also make it go up, down, and then the different speeds of the temperature fan, how fast it's gonna go as well. So again, this is the Wyndham Costa del Sol Grand Hotel. This is the 5-star hotel that is attached to the airport in Lima, Peru. This is a pretty new hotel that goes with the new terminal. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, if you're looking for a place to stay when you've got a connecting flight in Peru, this is where I would highly recommend that you go.